Good morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed exercise 2D. Today we will be starting exercise 2E. Here we have multiplication and divisions of decimal numbers. Just for starting from first one, this is multiply. It is given 7.9 by 7. Multiplication is same as a simple multiplication. We will multiply 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49 and 6 55. Now after one digit there was a decimal, so I will be giving decimal here. Now you see the last one, 6 number, 1.309 by 0.9. So just will write 1.309 into 0.9, multiply 9 9s are 81, 1, 9 zeros are 0 plus 8, 8. 9 3s are 27, carrying 1, 9 1s are 9 and 2, 11. Now, why I have taken this sum? Because it has decimals in both the places. Now you just count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 digits after decimal this side and 1 digit after decimal this side. So in total there are 4 digits after decimal. So here we will be counting 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and place the decimal. This is the way we find the product of decimal numbers. Now look at question number 2. It says divide the first number by the second number. Now you have given the numbers. Number 2, 1, this is 9.72 and 9. We will take 9 and we will divide 9.72. 9 ones are 9. Now there is a decimal, so this decimal will come at the quotient place. 7 is coming down the same way. One digit has come down, is not divisible by 9. So we will be giving 0 and we will take the second digit, that is 2. 9 8s are 72. So this is cancelled. So the answer is 1 point, quotient is 1.08. You see question number 4 here is given 2 is 4, 1.605 by 15. Now I have written 15, 1.605. 1 is smaller than 15, so not divisible, will give 0. Next we have decimal, so that decimal will come at quotient place. Now we will take both the digit, 16 that is, so 15 ones are 15. If you are confused here, 15 zeros are 0 you write, so 1 is remainder, then 6 you write. It's up to you. You can write this or you can write directly 15 ones are 15. I am using the previous one, 15 zeros are 0. So 1 is remainder, then 6 is coming down, 15 ones are 15, 1 is remainder, 10, 0 is coming down. Now if 0 is coming down, still not divisible. So here I have given 0, then I am taking the next number, 15 7s are 105. So the quotient is 0.107. Question number 3, find the product. It's the same as I have told you question number 1, so you will do it. Question number 4, multiply each numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Look at number 4. 1, 7.9. So 7.9 into 10, decimal will move 1 step forward, that is 79. 7.9 into 100, decimal will move 2 step forward, so that is 790. Why I have not written? Because 0 and then decimal is here. Here is a 0, decimal is here. So we can skip it. Clear? Now the 7.9 into 1000, this will be 7,900. In this way you have to solve all the numbers. Number 3, you see, it is given 0.0135. So 0.0135 into 10, decimal will move one step forward, 0.135. 0.0135 into 100, so decimal will move two steps forward, so it will be 1.35. And 0.0135 into 1000, so decimal will move three steps forward, so it will be 13.5. In this way you have to do. Now in division it moved backward. Here in multiplication decimal was moving forward. In division, in question number 5, it will be moving backward. Look at question number 5. Number 5, 179.89. So 79.89 divided by 10, decimal will move one step backward, so it will be 7.989. 79.89 divided by 100, so it will move two steps back, so it will be 0.7989. And 79.89 divided by 1000, it will move three steps back, so I didn't have any number third step, so I'll be using a 0. 7989. In multiplication it was moving right side, in division it moved left side, it moved backward. Then see number 4, it is given 89. So 89 divided by 10, it gives you 8.9. 89 divided by 100, it gives you 0.89, moving the decimal backward. And 89 divided by 1000, it gives you 0.089. This is for question number 5. Now in number 6, you have to simplify this decimal numbers using the same rule of BODMAS. Just see 6.1, it is given 17.32 minus 18.74 divided by 10. According to the rule of BODMAS, we are supposed to do division first. So divided by 10, it will be 1.874. Now we will be subtracting. To make it like, I have to add 0. 10 minus 4, 6. 11 minus 7, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. So this will be the answer. So first of all, we have to divide. See number 3. 7.06 into 1000 minus 1976 divided by 100. So according to the rule, division first, then this gives you 19.76 100. So divide decimal will move two step back. Now multiplication, so it will move, come 706 three steps forward, 10 minus 19.76, or we can write 7060.00. So 19.76. Why I am writing 0.00? The subtraction should not wrong. Otherwise, what you will be writing? 0.76. It is not 0.76. It is 0.24. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. Then it has come here 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 7040.24. This will be the answer. So you will complete up to question number 7. Next day we will be doing from question number 8. If there is a doubt, you just ask me. Complete up to question number 7. Till then, thank you. Keep practicing.